Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a reliable backup and removing blockers. First, backup photos, contacts, and app data to Google or local storage so you can restore later. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% or keep it plugged in. A power loss during reset can brick the device. Make sure to remove your Google account and turn off screen locks. This prevents factory reset protection from stopping you after the reset. You now perform the reset itself and understand why each step matters. From settings, choose System, Reset Options, then erase all data, confirm prompts to wipe user data. This clears personal files and returns system defaults. If the device is unresponsive, boot recovery with the power plus volume key combo, navigate with volume, and confirm with power. Once initiated, the phone may reboot multiple times. Let it finish so partitions and caches are rebuilt correctly. You complete setup and check for common problems. After reboot, follow the initial setup. Select language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google account to pull backups. This restores apps and settings. If activation blocks you, that means factory reset protection is active. Verify you removed the previous Google account or sign in with the original credentials. If the device enters a boot loop, boot into recovery, wipe cache partition, and as a last resort, perform another factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.